Hey guys, I will teach you several new words, phrasal verbs, and idioms using a simple story. This story is about a simple guy, John. John works a 9 to 5 at a company. 9 to 5 means a typical job that starts at 9 o'clock and ends at 5 o'clock. Many people hate 9 to 5 jobs. 9 to 5 jobs are boring, but they are also stable source of income. So Annie joined the same company as a junior programmer, and when John saw Annie for the first time, he immediately fell for her. Fall for someone means to fall in love with them. She's so gorgeous, no wonder John fell for her. So John wanted to talk to her, he wanted to ask her out. Ask out means to invite someone to come with you to a place like movies or a restaurant, especially to start a romantic relationship with them. So many times John tried, he even approached her, but he chickened out. Chicken out is an informal phrase. It means to decide not doing something because of fear. But finally, John mustered up the courage and asked her out. Muster up something means to gather something. We can use this phrase with other words as well. For example, I was on my way home and my car broke down and I mustered up all my strength to walk home. So John mustered up his courage and asked Annie out. Annie said yes, and they started dating and their relationship started growing stronger. So after a couple months, Annie moved in with John. Move in with someone means to start living with someone in the same house. So Annie moved in with John. And one fine day, John popped the question. Pop the question means to ask someone to marry you. Annie said yes, and they tied the knot. Tie the knot means to get married. Another informal way of saying this is to get hitched. John and Annie got hitched. A year later, Annie conceived. Conceive means to become pregnant. And Annie gave birth to beautiful twins, a boy and a girl. Both the babies were spitting images of Annie. Spitting image of someone means to look extremely similar to someone. If you say someone is a spitting image of another person, it means they both look extremely similar. So John and Annie were elated. Elated means extremely happy and excited. They were elated to become $1 million family. $1 million family means when a married couple has one boy and one girl in the family, it becomes a perfect and happy family. So such a family is called $1 million family. It doesn't mean that other families with only boys or only girls are not happy. It is just a term in English and I want you guys to learn it. Next time, when you want to congratulate someone on a new baby, if they have one girl and a one boy, you could say, congratulations on becoming $1 million family. Now let's recap. 9 to 5 means a typical office job that starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. Fall for someone means to fall in love with them. Ask out means to invite someone to come to a place like movies or a restaurant with an intention to start a romantic relationship with them. Chicken out is an informal phrase. It means to decide not to do something because of fear. Muster up something means to gather something. Move in with someone means to start living with someone in the same house. Pop the question means to ask someone to marry you. Tie the knot means to get married. Another informal term is get hitched, also means to get married. Conceive means to become pregnant. Spitting image means to look extremely similar to someone else. Elated means extremely happy and excited. $1 million family means when a married couple has one boy and one girl, it becomes a perfect and happy family. Such a family is called $1 million family.